you do? Oh, now don't you dump them. You little ornery thing, you. You little ornery thing, you. What the heck? What the heck was that all about? Hmm. I think that's so easy. You look pretty. Oh, look at you, Angelina. Look at you, beautiful girl. Oh, you're such a pretty girl. Oh, her mommy loves her so much. What? What? What are you thinking about now? Some of this? Want some of this? You kind of messed the end of it up, didn't you? You just can't leave nothing like it was to be. Smack your lips and see if it... Is that where it needs to be? You need more, or are you okay? Look at that beautiful angel.